Hi, I'm Tammy Underwood, a Wellness Integration Specialist with WJCC Schools. I also work under the School Health Initiative Program, which is better known as SHIP. And SHIP, along with the Office of Community Engagement, are working on Parent Academy classes, and I am doing a video today on how to make a spinner wheel. And it's an exercise spinner wheel so that your kids can be active at home, kind of break up the day. So all you're going to need to have on hand is a paper plate, a paper clip, and then a writing utensil. So basically you take your paper plate and flip it over and you'll divide it into sections. And then under each section or within each section, you will actually write exercises. And you can choose these, your kids can choose these. You can even put choice activities in there so that they can choose what exercise they want to if it lands in that area. But all you'll need to do after you do that is take a paper clip and take the writing utensil and then put it right in the center of the plate. And once you put this on a flat surface and hold the pen down, you can take and spin the paper clip and it lands in different areas of the plate. So this says 20 arm circles. So basically I would stop, stand up, and do 20 arm circles. Okay, and you can do this with your kids. They can do it by themselves. Once they do it though, they stop and then they spin it again. And you might even want to let them spin it. And sometimes they like to flick it, so you just have to like hold it down a little bit more and then spin it. So then it's 20 cross crawls. And so the kids would do 20 cross crawls, and then basically you would take another turn. Now you can do it just like this and just do it for exercise purposes, or what I like to suggest is you do it during their academic time, so there's a little break between when they're doing schoolwork and when they're getting a little bit of a brain break of exercise. So they would do some schoolwork, they would do an exercise on the spinner wheel, they do some schoolwork, they do 2 spins on the exercise wheel, and keep going back and forth so that they're up and moving and activating those brain cells and getting that heart pumping while they're actually participating in their academics. So hopefully you enjoyed that. It's easy to make, and thank you for watching.